I just recently bought the Gigabyte HD7970, the overclocked version. I'm just launching Battlefield at the minute, but as soon as you start playing, as you'll probably hear in a second when it loads, because at the minute the activity is at 0. But I'm going to show it. There's like a buzzing noise coming from it when it's under load. I don't know if it's meant to be there or if it's worse than it should be or what, like, to be honest, because this is the first time I've ever bought a graphics card which with such high power. There you go. Just started buzzing then. I'm just going to stop the video quickly. In fact, sorry, I'll stop Battlefield first so you can hear the difference between the buzzing noises, but listen. Hopefully you heard the difference there between when Battlefield was playing and Battlefield got closed. I'll stop the video now and load Crisis because it starts buzzing really loudly on Crisis. Right, just launching Crisis now. I'm going to put you next to it. I don't know if that's meant to happen. It doesn't sound like it's meant to happen, certainly, anyway, but yeah. Other than that though, the card is absolutely fine, other than the fact that it makes a little buzzing noise. Well, it's only on 80% as well, the activity. And yeah. Just about to close Crisis now. Then it instantly stops again. If you could let us know if that's normal or not, then that'd be great. Thank you.